popular choice for making cash through online ads. Lots of website owners have slapped Google Adsense onto their pages, but not all of them have hit the jackpot in terms of earnings. The secret sauce lies in mastering the art of Google AdSense optimization. So why is this whole Google AdSense optimization thing so darn important if you want to rank in the big box from your website? Well, the answer is hidden in understanding the nitty-gritty of this ad platform and how it meshes with your website's content and how folks use it. Here's the deal. Google AdSense lets website owners show ads that are tailored to their visitors. You pocket some cash each time someone clicks on one of those ads. But getting a fat paycheck from AdSense takes more than just slapping a piece of code onto your website. It calls for a well-thought-out game plan that involves studying, testing, and making little tweaks. A bunch of website owners fall short of hitting those big earnings because they lack the smarts to optimize their AdSense setup effectively. This usually leads to low click-through rate, ads that don't make sense for your audience, and a not so great user experience. Without getting this optimization thing right, the money you could be ranking in forms of AdSense remains stuck on the table. Now, how do you turn Google AdSense into a money-making beast for you and transform your website into a cash-churning machine? Well, it starts with a step-by-step optimization process. Here's the lockdown on how this optimization magic works. First off, you gotta look at your current AdSense account and figure out how your website's business model plays into it. This means digging into some fancy terms like CTR, that's how an ads get clicked, CPM, that's the moolah you make per 1,000 views, and impression, RPM, that's the money you get per 1,000 ad views. These numbers tell you how well your ads are doing and how much they're padding your wallet. Once you sorted that bit, the next thing to worry about is where you stick those ads and how they look. Placing ads in smart spots means people see them without getting annoyed. The ads also gotta blend in with your website style and content. You don't want to mess up your website's look or how easy it is to use. The goal is to make folks interested while getting them to click on ads that actually make sense to them. Now, on to the fun part, customizing and testing. This optimization thing is like a never-ending journey. You keep an eye on things, and whenever you make changes to how ads are placed and what they look like and how they're styled. Creating custom ad channels is another slick move in the Google AdSense optimization playbook. These channels give advertisers the chance to bid directly for certain ad spots on your website. More competition among advertisers can mean more cash for you. But hold up. While Google AdSense optimization can really spike your earnings, it's not the only game in town. Exploring other money-making paths like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and even selling stuff on your website can help you stack that cash even higher. Now, how do you know if all this optimization jazz is actually working? Well, success isn't just about seeing more zeros in your bank account. It's also about folks having a better time on your website and getting more involved. A well-optimized website manages to strike a balance between making dough and giving visitors something valuable. So there you have it. Google AdSense optimization is like holding the key to a treasure chest. By digging deep into the stats, making your ads look great and sit just right, and being open to change, you can turn your website into a money-making beast without annoying your visitors. Just remember, optimization is a journey, and keeping an eye on what's hot and what's not will keep your website rocking in the digital jungle. So dive right in. Give Google AdSense optimization a whirl and watch your website go from just okay to a cash-pumping sensation that delivers awesome stuff to your audience while ranking in the dollars. Need my help? Check out my website.